Okay, y'all. Hey. It's starting to get dark here. Um, Another word I wanted to share. I'm gonna share it because I have to. I was being a little selfish. Well, I wasn't being selfish. I just let me share it. So many of y'all, and you heard me on my last video, I love my singleness. I'm happy with my singleness. I am content with my singleness. My life is full. I love on myself. All that. Okay. So, but eight months, the past 8 months, not only is the Lord speaking this to me, but when I go into the spirit, I'm picking it up. I'm perceiving it. I'm picking it up. There are men praying for wives. There are men literally praying for wives, not just praying. Some men are tarrying. I don't want to say crying out. I don't want to say crying. I don't want to say they're crying out, but there are men that they're heavy burdened. I hear them and they're saying, Lord, send me, they're praying for their wife, but it's like an urgency. Like, I need my wife. I need my wife. Lord, bless me with my wife. Bless me with my wife. I hear them praying. And I didn't say nothing to share because I heard it, but I'm like, I guess maybe I related it to me, maybe. Because I was like, I ain't pray for no husband. I was like, I ain't asked for no husband. I was like, why am I hearing that? Oh, Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. So, but I've been hearing it for 8 months. And the Lord told me in June or July, I was laying in my bed and I was writing music. I was doing something, and the Lord started speaking and said, um, I have a husband for you. And I was like, I wasn't trying to hear it. I don't want no husband. I don't, I'm not, no, I'm not. And he said to me, and this is for you ladies too, and for men who watching, who maybe you one of the ones that's been praying for the wife. Excuse me. But he said there's two different groups of men that are praying this. You have saved men and you have unsaved men. The unsaved men are praying for godly wives because the unsaved men are interested in church. They're interested in God. But they either were not raised in church, they're unfamiliar with church, or they're familiar with church, but it's religion and they don't want religion. They want the real deal because God has opened their eyes and is showing them things, and they're looking at what's going on. Not just looking at it, they're experiencing it with the Hollywood falls, with CEOs resigning, with businesses letting people go in the entertainment industry. They're all scrambling. And there are some who have been in these demonic practices, parties, and some that haven't, some that are just regular Joes, but they can pick up and they can sense things. They're praying for godly wives because the unsaved men believe that the godly wife will be able to teach them, not and walk with them and grow, help them grow in the things of Christ, and they feel secure with her where they haven't been able to trust people. Those group of men are praying for godly wives. So for some of you ladies who are okay and equipped, or feel like God has called you or allowed you to marry someone who is not 100% on your level spiritually, or who has the patience to work with those kind of men in those positions. These men are praying for wives, and some of you will be meeting these guys, and you'll be getting your husbands. The second group of men are elite men. Elite men. Men who have money, they have businesses. They've seen things that we on the normal level here have not seen. And as you can see by watching this, all of those women have been ran through. All of those women up there have been ran through. Beyonce, Nicki Minaj, the Kardashians. They've been ran through. And, I need to put this phone on the charger. Hold on, y'all. They've been ran through. The majority, if not all of them, have STDs. And there are clean men in the industry. There are men of God in the industry. There are men who have avoided those type of parties, events, and they've been praying. There are Christian people who have been tarrying in the entertainment industry for a long time, hoping and praying while remaining silent. They've been praying for wives. They've been praying for wives. Some of them praying for godly wives, and some just praying for a wife they can trust, who's not going to be bought, sold, or trafficked, or persuaded, or they're praying for solid women. They want solid women. So some of you ladies are going to be meeting and marrying men that are well-to-do. Well-to-do, boo-boo. Well-to-do. And the Lord told me, I'm giving you a husband because this particular person has been crying out for a particular type of woman, and you are qualified. So I'm sharing that with you guys because it's not just for me. It's not just for me. Some men are praying for a particular type of women. They're being very detailed about what they want in their woman. They're being very detailed. And if you know a man of God who pray, he gonna tell the Lord exactly what he, you can't lie. But yeah, so some of you, God is saying, you fit the description. You are what he asked for, and you are qualified. You are qualified. And that's what he told me. I'm qualified. I'm not a celebrity. I'm not. But I have a lot of the skills and talents that the celebrities have. I have a lot of the training. I have the training, the experience of being around celebrities. Like I said, I'm from Las Vegas, Nevada. I was a nail tech at Mandalay Bay. Celebrities would come, get their nails, feet done. Britney Spears would stay at the Mandalay Bay all the time. She'd bring her kids there. They'd be out at the swimming pool. I've been around a lot of celebrities. Mike Tyson, met him at the club one night. He feeling on my booty. Feeling on my booty, but he hollered at my homegirl. Okay. Rory Gilmore. Kimberly Bledsoe. One of my clients at the nail spa. I do her nails. The richest man in Texas, Longhorn. He comes to the salon, gets his hair cut. So I have access to celebrities. My niece, Um, Damian Lillard. She married Kayla Lillard. Yes, that's my niece. And so I have access to celebrities. I've been around. I'm qualified. I'm just qualified. So that's what God is saying to you, ladies. You're qualified. And this man that's praying specifically, no one else fits him but you. And it may be only two little things that you have that the other woman didn't have, and God said it's you. He wants you. And when a God told me that, I'm buying. I'm like, well, I don't care what he want. The Lord gonna have to work with me, cause I told you on last video I ain't doing no work. I got my stuff I like doing, and my time is my time. Lord forgive me, cause after you spend time with the Lord, and if you pray like I pray, sometimes I can go days. I could go days, especially if I don't have no work, and I could lock myself in the house and go days with God on my face, praying, listening, praising. I could spend days like that. I could literally spend days like that. And, to have a man, see, Lord said that now, I'm like, you see, 8 months ago, I'm just now saying something. And another reason I'm saying something is because I'm going to have to start being obedient, y'all. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm going to have to start being obedient. If I ain't tell the truth on myself. So this prophet, what does she call herself? Prophetess, prophet. She calls herself prophet. Light-skinned chick. She real cute. But she let a video go a month or two ago talking about marriages. And she said the same thing I'm saying to y'all just now. And when I heard her, I was like, well, see, she said it, Lord. I did that twice. I'm sorry. See, I'm getting a whipping in front of y'all on YouTube, and I'm confessing it. I'm confessing it. Okay, so I know it's getting dark in here. I need to turn this light on. But maybe I can just open these blinds. Yeah, so yeah, that looks better. So yeah, y'all, there are men out there. A lot of people are about to go to prison. The entertainment industry is about to shift. All the celebrities that we looked at, and like Jay-Z and Beyonce, all the people that, when y'all see what's really been going on, I'm telling y'all, follow Allie Carter. And she not lying, because like I said, I've seen these kids that she talking about. She can't be lying about the torture, about them hanging kids from upside down, drinking their blood with hooks in their feet. All the stuff that she say, I'm telling y'all. The Lord told me a lot of stuff back in 95, 96, and it's passing right now. And again, I didn't know that was God talking to me. I thought I was just thinking thoughts, because no one was guiding my gifts and developing and training my gifts. And so, yeah. Some husbands, everything changing. Men are going to need wives. They're going to need clean wives that are disease-free. They're going to need righteous wives who can't be bought or sold or persuaded to turn against them. They're going to need loyal wives. They're going to need wives they can trust. These men are praying. And I said, Lord, that ain't what I prayed for, and that's not what I asked for. And my auntie calls me, and we talking, and we wasn't talking about this subject though. And she says, well, the Lord got a husband for you. And I was like, no, thank you. I heard you. Let's get off the subject. And it's not that I hate the idea of having a husband. It's really not. Men are sweet. Men can be so just amazing. They can be absolutely amazing. But I've been married. I've been in relationships. I have kids. I know the work it takes. I know the effort it takes. I know the time it takes. And it's just not somewhere I want to put my effort and my time. And there's nothing wrong with men. I'm heterosexual and I love men. I like to look at them sometimes. Because I say sometimes because it's hard to come across some that's, for me, that's some real good eye candy. Oof, I don't see like excellent eye candy. Anyhow. So yeah, nothing against marriage, nothing against, I just know where I'm at and I know what I'm doing. Like I'm on my own timeline. I'm on my own zone. But who knows? I might meet somebody, the guy got, and he might sweep me off my feet and I might change my mind. It ain't no telling. But as for now, that has not been on my prayer list. It has not been on my thought list. It has not been on my desire list. Okay. So, yeah. Y'all get ready. Get ready. They praying. They looking for you. Until next time. Bye-bye, y'all.